Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. In this session, we will discuss how to simplify the complicated equations before solving. This is the question. Solve the equations 2 divided by root over x plus 3 divided by root over y is equal to 2. Second equation is 4 divided by root over x minus 9 divided by root over y is equal to minus 1. To simplify these equations, let 1 by root over x is equal to p and 1 by root over y is equal to q. Therefore, the first equation will be 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Second equation will be 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now these equations are very simple. To solve these equations, if we multiply equation number 1, multiply both sides by 3, then it will be 6p plus 9q is equal to 6. This is equation number 1 into 3. If we add these equations, this will cancel. Then 10p is equal to 5, or p is equal to 5 by 10 is equal to half. So when p is equal to half, we have assumed that 1 by root x is equal to p. Therefore 1 by root x is equal to half, or root x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 4. This is one answer. Now putting the value of p is equal to half in equation 1, 2p, 2 into half, plus 3q is equal to 2, or 3q is equal to 2 minus 1, or 3q is equal to 1, or q is equal to 1/3. We have assumed that 1 by root y is equal to q. Therefore 1 by root y is equal to 1/3, or root y is equal to 3, squaring both sides, y is equal to 9. So this is the answer. Second sum is similar. Similarly, we will assume some value and we will solve the equations. A solution is let 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. then P by 2 plus Q by 3 is equal to 2, or 3P plus 2Q is equal to 2, or 3P plus 2Q is equal to 12. This is equation number 1. Similarly, P by 3 plus Q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6, or 6 2P plus 3Q is equal to 13 by 6, or 2P plus 3Q is equal to 13 after cancelling 6 from both sides. So this will be equation number. Equations, number 1 equation we will multiply both sides by 2. So 6P plus 4Q is equal to 24. This is equation number 1 into 2. And this equation will multiply by 3. So 6P plus 9Q is equal to 39. This is equation number 2 into 3. Now we have to cancel P minus 5Q is equal to minus 15, or Q is equal to 3. We have assumed Q 1 by Y. Therefore 1 by Y is equal to 3. This will give us Y is equal to 1/3. This is one answer. For the second one, putting the value of Q is equal to 3 in equation 1, 3P plus 2Q plus 2Q is equal to 12, or 3P is equal to 12 minus 6, or P is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. We have assumed P as 1 by x, therefore 1 by x is equal to 2, or x is equal to half. This is the answer. X is equal to half and y is equal to 1/3. Five by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. X minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 2. So let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P, and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to Q. then 5p plus 1q is equal to 2. This is one equation, and 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. This is another equation. For solving this equation, let us multiply equation number 1 by 3. So it will give us 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. 3. Now add these two equations. This will be cancelled. 21p is equal to 7, or p is equal to 7 by 21 is equal to 1/3. When p is equal to 1/3, p is equal to, we have assumed 1 by x minus 1. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1/3. This will give x minus 1 is equal to 3, and this will give x is equal to 4. This is answer. Now putting p is equal to 1/3 in equation 1, five 1/3 plus q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 3, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1/3. Therefore, we have assumed q is equal to 1 by y by 2. Therefore, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3, or y minus 2 is equal to 3, or y is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. This is also an answer.